here. And when we suddenly realize, oh, progress, but that is the color which Auroville is fully sitting on. It's everything is symbolic. Everything is just full of layers and layers of beauty. And we can also remember that Mother Earth, in 1956, the supplemental descended, supplemental consciousness on the Earth. And in 1958, Mother Nature came to the Mother and said, I will collaborate. Okay. So basically, here, maybe everywhere, of course, the light is coming down from above for the change, and the very earth is aspiring to us. We are not alone in trying to make the change. Whole of nature is working through us and around us. This is something we should remember, that actually we are in a time when it's actually very easy to do everything to make this change, because from everywhere it is colliding. I wanted to say.
Baby, you can sing some song that was too late. It's offering to Mother Earth.
तुझे सोन्याने मडवीन पाऊ, उड उड रे काऊ, तुझे सोन्याने मडवीन पाऊ, पाहुणे पंढरी राऊ, घरा काही येती, पाहुणे पंढरी राऊ, घरा काही येती, उड उड रे काऊ, तुझे सोन्याने मडवीन पाऊ, दही भाताची उंडी लावून तुझ्या तोंडी, दही भाताची उंडी लावून तुझ्या तोंडी, सत्य सांगे गोठी विठू येईल काही, सत्य सांगे गोठी विठू येईल काही, उड उड रे काऊ, तुझे सोन्याने मडवीन पाऊ, उड उड रे काऊ, तुझे सोन्याने मडवीन पाऊ.
Field of consciousness, where the divine has hidden itself in matter and now laboring to manifest its full glory. Earth as a significant center, Sri Aurobindo suggests that while universe is vast, Earth holds a unique place in the cosmic scheme. It is the evolutionary laboratory. So Sri Aurobindo's perspective on Earth is revolutionary because he does not view merely as a physical plane or a planet or a vale of tears to be escaped. Instead, he sees Earth as a significant arena for a divine evolution. To Sri Aurobindo, Earth is a concentrated field of consciousness where the divine has hidden itself in matter and is now laboring to manifest its full glory. So since 24th April is the final arrival of mothers, it's very coincidentally come together, and also Mata Sita's birthday on Saturday. So they all related to Mother Earth. we want to give an importance for all these three events, which is very much close to Auroville. When you do something in Auroville, it is echoed in the world or in the universe, in cosmos, wherever it may be. But Auroville is the focal point. That's whatever we do here, it will be echoed and reverberated everywhere in the air. So happy to have you all here for honoring Mother Earth in Auroville. And this is something very beautifully conceived by Earth Institute. So we want to give importance for this. How each creation in Auroville has a special stamp for the goodness for the world. So again, I welcome you all. We gather around near the peace table and we offer each one your aspiration for the world according to your mind, your ideas.